So yeah, y'all, if you ready to go from looking like this to keep watching. Hey y'all, what's up, what's good, what's goody? It's your girl D, and I'm back in the building with another video. Today's video, I am going to show you guys how to do your own lashes. Okay, these are not lash extensions, they're actually individual lashes. If y'all have been following me for a while now, y'all know how my eyes do with lashes. Okay, they are just so sensitive. I don't know what it is. I believe it's the glue that, you know, gives me a hard time with wearing lashes on my eyes, but we're going to be trying a different glue today, so let's get straight into this video.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black.
Okay, y'all, so today I will be using the Ardell Professional Individual Lashes, and I will be trying these in the long black and medium black. So I have two different lengths, long and medium. I think what I'm going to do is place the long ones on the outside and place the mediums in the middle and inner side of my eye. I feel like I should have got some shorts to go like right in the corners, because I don't know about y'all, but I literally hate for like my eyelashes to be like rub up against, you know, my eyelids up there. Not eyelids, whatever this part is called. I literally hate for my lashes to like touch it. It like tickles, and I don't know, it just feels weird. Me personally, I don't think your eyelashes should be that long where they're like literally flapping up and touching up here. But you know what I'm saying? If you like it, I love it. Anywho, I will be also using this eyelash glue that I got from my local beauty supply. Again, I told y'all the glues that they are recommending for these individual lashes just don't work for me. I found this lash glue that was kind of similar to hair glue. It's more of like a rubbery texture, and my eyes seem to do well with that. So that's the glue we're going to be using today. I do have two pair of tweezers. I have these right here. This is what I normally put my eyelashes on with. And then I have a second pair just in case. You never know, you might need them. Also, you're gonna need a mirror. So I have this little mirror right here, and I am just gonna set this bad baby up. Those are my materials, and y'all, I already washed my hands, washed my face. Let's get straight into putting these lashes on. Now I am going to go ahead and take this spoolie just to like comb out my lash hairs and make sure that they don't clump together or anything like that while I'm doing my lashes. So y'all, when I am pulling the lash off, instead of like just pulling on the end of the lash, I'm making sure that I take my tweezers and just pull the whole thing out, kind of grab down on the whole thing and pull it out like that, because I don't want to pull any of the hairs out on the lash. I'm going to slightly dip it into the glue, and then I'm going to wait for it to dry a couple of seconds before I apply it on, because I don't know if you guys are familiar with putting lashes on, but when you first dip it, the glue is like more liquidy, and we want it to solidify just a little bit so that it could be tacky. So I'm just going to let it dry for a second, and then I'm going to apply it to my lash line. Boom. There is the first lash. And we're just gonna keep on doing the same exact thing until we're all done. You also want to try not to get glue on here. If you do, make sure you wipe it off every time you do, because that glue is just going to get more tackier and tackier, and when you go to apply the lash on your eye, the lash is going to get stuck to the tweezer. If you notice that once you put the lash on, it just like falls off, you're not waiting for the glue to dry long enough. Sorry guys that my camera is blurring up, but I am halfway done. I'm at the center of my eye, so I'm going to switch over from long lashes and start applying medium. Okay guys, so what I am noticing is that once I get towards the center of my eyelid, the lash tends to look a little bit lighter. So I'm going to double the area where I see a lot of space, or the lashes just look very sparse, which is predominantly right here. So I'm going to put another layer of lashes, the size medium or length medium, on top of the ones that I already have. And when I do that, I am going to use a little less glue than I did the first time. So until I feel like I need more lashes on the second layer, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the first layer in the inner corner of my eye. As you guys can see, when I do apply my lash, I kind of open my eye a little bit just to make sure it's in the placement that I want it to be in before I press down the lash and, seal the glue. Okay guys, so I am done. I have 2 layers of lashes on my top lash and I am absolutely loving this. They feel very comfortable. The glue is pretty much dry for the most part and my eyes don't feel tight, uncomfortable, or any of that. So I think this is going to work for me long term. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have completed my other eye, and y'all, these set of lashes look so freaking good. I'm literally shocked myself. So I did use a total of about 26 lashes total from both of my little lash trays, and I still have some left over, as y'all can see, so I could do a whole nother set and not even have to buy any more lashes. I am so freaking like in wow. Like, do y'all see these lashes? Oh my god. Listen, honey, no more breaking the bank to get your lashes done, because it literally cost me nothing compared to what it would cost me if I went to go get my lashes done. Like, yeah, this is definitely the move. I recommend y'all try this out and tell me how you like it. I hope you feel like I feel, because I feel like I just hit the jackpot, baby. Okay. I cannot wait to see how long these lashes last. I will definitely keep y'all updated on one of my vlogs, so be sure to make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with that. And y'all, like, I can't even stop looking at myself in the mirror. I can't believe it. They're so comfortable. Like, lashes being comfortable, have you ever heard of that? Me neither. So yeah, go get you some, sis, and thank me later. Anywho, that wraps up today's video, so thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and I will see you on the next video.